Hey guys, welcome to my channel and thank you so much for stopping by. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to share with you this Pride eye makeup tutorial, and I have created this rainbow eye look using the brand new Morphe 25L Live-in Color Palette. Recently, I was watching a tutorial of Smitha Deepak. This makeup look is highly inspired by her tutorial. However, it is not like a 10 on 10 copy. I have added some of my own touches as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. First, I'm priming my eyelids with my Milani concealer in 135. I already did my brows off camera. I'm just blending it out using a damp beauty sponge. This one is from L'Oreal. I'm setting my eyelids with this Wet n Wild Photo Focus banana powder. Now, if you look at the packaging, there is a particular color scheme like violet, sky blue, green, yellow, orange and red. I'm going to follow the same color pattern for this eye look. For that, first I'm taking Truth from the palette and I'm just applying it slightly above my crease because I have hooded eyes. If you do not have hooded eyes, then apply the color directly onto your crease. Now I'm taking Life, which is a bright red color, and I'm just diffusing the borders of that violet eyeshadow I just applied. Now I'm taking Pride, which is a bright orange color, and I'm just diffusing the borders of that red eyeshadow to create a nice gradient effect. Now cutting my crease. For that, I'm using a lip brush from Puna store, and first I'm just marking the area where I want to place my cut crease, and I'm going to create a full cut crease look here. Now with a makeup removing wipe, I'm just cleaning up my eyelids. I'm just reapplying the concealer again. I'm taking Harmony, which is a bright royal blue color, and I'm just applying it on my outer V area. And I'm applying it in like a slanted line. It's not a straight line, it is a slanted line. Now I'm taking Peace and I'm applying it next to Harmony. I'm just placing the colors first, then I will blend out the edges. Now I'm taking Activism, which is a shimmery green color, bright green color, and I'm applying it next to the sky blue shade. I'm taking Sunlight, which is a bright yellow color, and I'm applying it next to the green shade. I felt like this color is a bit less pigmented than the others. Now I'm taking Culture and I'm applying it next to the yellow eyeshadow. This is like a coral color. Now I'm taking Pride, which is a bright orange color, and I'm applying it on top of Culture because I felt like the previous shade was not that pigmented. I'm taking Life again and I'm just applying it on the inner part of my eyelid. This shade is beautiful. I'm just blending out the edges of each eyeshadow. I'm taking Truth again and I'm just applying it on the border of my cut crease to make it look even prominent. Now I'm taking Heart, which is a beautiful baby pink color, and again I'm just diffusing the borders. I'm just creating a nice wing with my Wet n Wild Mega Liner in black. Now I'm applying a liquid glitter eyeliner on the border of my cut crease. For my waterline, I'm applying this Jordana Easy Liner in Divine Blue. Now I'm taking Gilbert. Yes, this is Gilbert. It is a dark violet color and I'm applying it on the outer 1/3 area of my lower lash line. I'm taking Rise Up, which is a bright indigo blue color, shimmery color, and I'm applying it next to Gilbert. Now I'm taking 1978, which is a beautiful shimmery purple color, and I'm just applying it next to Rise Up. For my inner corners, I'm taking Healing, which is a shimmery gold color, and it is like a pressed glitter pigment, and I'm applying it on my inner corners. Now I'm taking Stone Wall, which is a champagne gold color, and I'm just highlighting my brow bones and my inner corners. I'm just curling my natural lashes with this Vega eyelash curler, and I'm applying a coat of mascara. This is my Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. I'm going to apply falsies. For that I'm using this Kiss Fox Mink lashes in the style Gala, and here is the final eye look. I truly love the way how it turned out, and this palette is beautiful. I was using this palette for the first time and I am super duper impressed with the quality. The pigmentation is on point. Only some of the shades are really less pigmented. You have to build it up. Other than that, it is a very nice palette, and the shadows are not patchy at all. They just blended beautifully. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful for you. If you did, then please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel. And if you are not following me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, please do follow me there. All the links will be given in the description bar down below, so please go ahead and check that out. So yeah, see you soon in my next one. Till then, bye and take care.